Welcome to your last Wednesday of second grade math. Today we are going to find a half of, a third of, or a fourth of a whole. And again, this is something that you are familiar with because of our daily math boxes that we have done this year. Okay, so we have right here 2 equal parts, that's a half. 3 equal parts, one that is shaded is called a third. And if there's 4 equal parts, one part that is shaded is called a fourth. Okay, this says draw to show thirds and color a third of the shape. Okay, so if I'm going to do a third of a square, I would do this. Those are not completely equal shapes, but it's close. Okay. Same here. Draw thirds. You could draw vertical lines too, if you would like. And then we can fill in. I don't know why that's not filling in. Let's do it this way. So there's a third, color that in. There's a third, color that in. Okay, so same here. We are going to draw fourths. And on this rectangle, I'm going to draw 3 lines because that's going to give me 4 equal pieces there. And then a circle, that's a little different. We're going to go straight up and down and then straight across, and that's going to give us 4 equal pieces. And just to be fun, I'm going to go corner to corner on the square. Okay. And then if you are going to color in a fourth, you're just going to, you're just going to color that in. Color in a fourth and color in a fourth. Okay. And so on the next page, it says draw to show halves. Okay. So we're just going to draw each of these in 2 pieces. Here, here, and here. And then you're just going to color in one side. To show half. Okay, just 1 out of 2 is a half. Okay, and I think this is pretty easy for you guys to understand. I'm hoping. If not, send me a message and let me know. This says draw to show thirds. So again, here we are going to break each piece into 3 equal pieces. And then it says color a third of the shape. My lines aren't super straight here, but that is okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right. So I'm going to color in a third and 1/3 here and 1/3 here. Okay. Again, we are going to draw fourths. And you can be doing this with us on your own paper. Fourths. Sorry, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do this. Whoops. It's going to be easier here. I think if we go 1, 2, 3 lines to make fourths, and then So those lines are really not straight, but you understand what we're doing here. So we are going to color in 1/4 of each shape. Okay. All right. So now it says 2 posters are the same size here and here. 1/3 of one poster is red and 1/4 of the other poster is blue. Is the red part or the blue part larger? Draw and write to explain. So if one is divided into 3 parts, and then the other is divided into 4 parts, can you tell already which which piece is going to be smaller? Okay, or larger. It says, is the red part or the blue part larger? Okay, so let me get my handy dandy pen, and it says 1/3 is red. So I'm going to color this part red. Is that larger? Or is this part larger? Okay, so the red part is larger. Is larger because the shape in the because the spaces in the first shape are bigger. Okay, the red part's larger because we only had to break that rectangle into 3 pieces. So the pieces are bigger. When you have to share a candy bar with 4 people, the pieces are going to get smaller. Draw to show halves, thirds, and fourths. Color a half of, a third of, and a fourth of the shape. Okay, half, thirds, and fourths. And if you are just going to color let's see here, a half, a third, a fourth. You're just coloring one section each. Okay, all right. Well, click next at the bottom of your page and you can practice some of these on your own.